Oh, sorry guys, I'm so sleepy. Oh my god, camera is going down. So I need to say bye bye because my eyes is. Please follow. Please subscribe to my channel so that tomorrow, and click the bell button to notify when I every time I go live. It will notify to your, you know, to your YouTube. Thank you for watching, guys. I have 5 minutes more before I sleep. Thank you so much for watching my live and sharing your time. And guys, as you know, my videos I upload there is all highlights on my videos. I'm so busy. I always go to school every day to send to school with my son and then get back home. And at night time I'm so tired because I prepare everything, and I just want to subscribe for your YouTube beautiful. Thank you, Ilobo. So you Ilobo, where you name Ilobo? You're from? You're Spanish or English? I think you're Spanish. Thank you for sharing with them. You're very welcome again to come watch my live, and very welcome. Always coming on that. So give time to watch my upload videos and then comment there, and then support my my channel, because I don't know why my channel my views are going down, and my viewers also. We gotta get from your city to YouTube. So I have to go now because you're Spanish. You're from Spain. Better you know English too. We have also a subject of Spanish here, but in my course we don't have subject in sub, but in the teacher, some of the courses of the college I have Spanish, but now the Spanish subject here is, they get out for the, I know the Spanish of Buenos Dias, Buenos Noches, and Señorita. On a dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete. We just received one more viewer, yes. Yeah, and that is you and Lobo. Thank you. And we have 2 minutes more to go before I cut off my live. So shout out everyone. American, but ah from American. So you are from, I know Spanish as well. Yes. So you're now from, do you have an Instagram, or you have if you contact me, and I have my WhatsApp, I have my Instagram, I have my TikTok, and you see on my profile on my Facebook and my about you, if you click there, my where you contact me there. As you know, Ilubo, well, I am started on my YouTube on December 2, 2022. So now we are, I'm almost 2 years in this YouTube platform. So that's why my English are, you know, I get some what in English, so I know to speak more. And my WhatsApp is +63 946 2441 429. That's um my WhatsApp. You will see there on my profile on my profile on YouTube. You can click my about there. You can see there. So